down below we scrub like all the white.
Oh.
And we got
Oh yeah.
yeah. You go home and show my wife that I did some work.
Yeah, but it's not at your house. So.
That's a good point. I better just keep my mouth shut.
That's great. You can work there, but you can't do it at home.
Right. Oh, we went to Frosty's, got pizza. They came back here and did some work.
Well, that's, I guess cleaning the boat. Now, do you have a fishing tour tomorrow?
I'm not.
Oh, you're not on.
No, I'm not going. My wife, Sue. Al Vito. It's
Al?
Al. You said Vito. Just retiring is how I got here. Like, oh, that. Well, this new agency through the state, it was a brand new agency. It was delayed. Like,
I don't think I ever met you.
2019.
Sue? Chris.
And then they did this mass hiring where they needed a...
You from the area? Or?
Yeah, I live out in Toledo.
Okay.
Well, I'm from Toledo.
Okay.
I mean, I've been here my whole life.
Holland myself. I just moved from Sylvania a couple years ago.
Okay, yeah.
Spent most of my life in Perrysburg.
We've always worked together, we got along.
My parents.
She always treated me well. I went to her about when I was going through the background. I had to go through the same background as the state trooper. And I said, hey.
Lived in Toledo for a little bit, and for about maybe 3 years or so.
And
then before my mother passed, my grandfather took over. He had to take care of me for a couple of years.
Yeah.
That's when he decided it would be best if I just move on my own. It's time to get out on my own, and, you know. So he put me on. Found a house, found somebody to live with, and like, okay.
Yeah.
Another guy needed a roommate. He was a little bit older than I was, but you know what? Like, split the rent, and like, okay. Found a small house, lived there for about 4 years, and after that I went to Sylvania. So, yeah. Was not impressed with Toledo. I really don't like.
Well, there's some nice places.
I was getting ready to say, yeah, some parts of Toledo are okay, but I guess it just depends really where you go.
Yeah. Well, and that's true of Perrysburg, Holland, or, you know, anywhere actually. But being Toledo is bigger, there's more choices.
Right, yep.
Where's this at?
That was the reason why.
We're down a passenger.
It was underfilled. Good. Yeah, so I still talk to the guys. And they, this pre-order wasn't that we went to.
Better hope you can swim.
Well, in this water, you won't be swimming long.
No.
He wanted to
So cold, like you
I'm
said.
still trying to learn how to swim myself, but one day, hopefully.
I know how to swim, but I don't have the strength anymore.
Yeah.
And I mean,
the
first rule is don't panic, and that's exactly, you know, that's what happens to me. I'm like, but then you're in the water, and I'm trying to calm myself down and go, okay, I know how to tread water, I know how to swim.
Yeah. But if you get stuck out here, man, thank God they got enough life jackets for everybody.
Yeah. Well, they have to.
Oh, yeah.
Blood pressure starting to come down after 2.5 years. Yeah. I mean, like, you know when it's time. Yeah.
And statistically, you're not very likely to capsize.
True.
For a passenger boat, especially. But not saying it can't happen.
I'm going out on my terms. I'm not being forced out. I'm pulling out the lead.
watch my bag? I'll go up to the front
I
for a minute.
will, yes.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Pretty, isn't it?
Isn't it better than for? Oh my God.
Beautiful.
It's amazing.
Another second, it'll go behind the clouds and you won't see it again.
Oh, well then I better stand here.
Right. First time with the cruise, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
I come, what?
Where'd you come from?
Who'd I come with?
Yeah.
Oh, I just came by myself.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
How do you have like guts to do that? I want to do that, but I have no guts to do it.
I just took an Uber over here from my house.
Where
So,
you live?
Holland. Yep. How about you?
I live in Westlake.
Where at?
Westlake, Michigan.
Okay. Not too far from Toledo.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't a bad drive.
Yeah.
Like a 40-minute maybe.
Okay.
But I
Nice.
mean, now we still have like 2 hours here, and then
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, now it's starting to disappear. Darn. So starting to enjoy it. We got one more picture.
Hurry up.
Yep.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm tracking our distance.
So what'd you do?
4 miles from the. It was actually 38 miles from downtown Toledo to the dot. So I figure it's about 36, 37. So
what'd you do?
what's that?
What'd you do while you were down there?
Took a walk, ate dinner, have some between, just kind of relaxed here and there. Walked all the way to the campgrounds. Back.
Oh, there's campground? I thought there was, but I wasn't sure.
It's about a 7.5 mile hike.
Yeah.
Oh man, be pretty.
Oh, it's getting cold.
Hello, Nippy. Oh, what's your name?
Monica.
Is it?
Monica.
Chris.
Hi.
Good to meet you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry, you're good.
Looking, but we've had the pizza there a couple of times, and it's just not right. You know, I mean, it'll be burnt or small amount of cheese on it or something. So, you know, you give it a couple, 3 times, and then, I guess not.
Yeah.
Now everybody likes the pizza cat. It's over at the door roundabout. You know, door and the Ford, and there's that big roundabout. Okay. There's a, they're sniffling and they're eating, and right on the end there's a place called Pizza Cat. Yeah, you like their pizza.
So when do you guys start the season? Like May or June or?
Like April.
Oh,
We
April.
have-
Oh, really?
We'll have fishing charters, walleye fishing charters going out,
Okay.
and then we'll run November 1st is our last.
When did you start the
Shut down.
When did you start the quit and bait trip?
We did like the week after Memorial Day.
Oh.
Okay.
We try to run it every other week if it did
Yeah.
run into the holiday weekend.
Yeah. So I figured around June or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So June, July, and August.
This is my 3rd trip I've been on.
So about 4 times a year.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're just really thrilled with it. It's great. It's been a great trip.
Yeah.
I mean, and of course the weather was terrific, so. But sometimes I say a rainy day on the river is better than a rainy day in the family.
And it's got rained out on the way here this morning,
Right, right.
and it just fell apart like
Yeah.
this did the split.
Yeah.
I knew it wasn't going to amount to much. It's just light shower.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
Yeah.
Just a dusting.
Right. Like a dust in the snow. Can you imagine being out here in mid-November?
What's that?
Can you imagine being out of here in mid-November or December?
He said November 1st, he said.
I meant to put going right hard to put in May in the middle of November.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
no, thank you. I think this is the last trip to Put in Bay for the year.
I think it is.
Yeah. After that, the water just gets a little too nippy.
Yeah. And he said he's got a fishing tournament.
Yeah.
On
Oh yeah.
Sundays.
Yeah. They go to the first week of November. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wasn't sure how far in the season Put in Bay trip goes.
Yeah.
So. Some of
I
them.
don't know. Did they do these last year, or did they just
I
start
think
these?
I'm not sure because I know. Good question. I really don't know. I think either this year or last year. Might be this year actually.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. That's a good question. I didn't even hear about it until I read it somewhere a couple months ago. So
Oh, okay.
maybe it just rolled out this year. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah. Well, he heard about it
Yeah.
and said, let's try to go, and we just couldn't find a date. And then it was like, he goes, this is the last one. I go, well, then sign us up.
Yeah.
And like I say, it was a perfect weather day.
Oh yeah. If it was about 5 or 10 degrees warmer, it'd be perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
2 hours ago, roughly. Excuse me. Alright. We're live on the Glass City Pearl, heading back to heading back to Toledo. Just left Put in Bay. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you might be able to see the memorial. Yep, there it is. We're just about 5.5 miles from it. 7:37. We will be in Toledo roughly by 9:45 or so. So, yep. I highly recommend this. It's about $100, but it's well worth it. All right, enjoy. chilled out. Be back in Toledo by 9:45. Yep.
All right.
behind you. Oh, pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Sure is.
Like when the sun just came into view, it was like, get your phones out, it'd be a good picture. Yeah. Doesn't feel nearly as bad chilly as it did earlier.
What's that?
Doesn't feel nearly as chilly as it did earlier.
I agree with you, yeah.
Maybe the wind's just lightened up a little bit.
Yeah.
I think we're going against the wind.
Maybe
I think it was a lake breeze.
Yeah.
It's coming out of the east.
Yeah,
So
I felt
yeah.
colder this morning, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I might do this every year. Yeah.
It's a great idea.
Not every month though.
Right,
that gets
yeah.
expensive.
Right. Well, if you did it every month, it might get, as beautiful as it is, it might get old.
Yeah, but hey.
It's like I always loved Mr. Freeze ice cream, but if I ate it every day,
Yeah.
you get
I think maybe,
numb to its, how good it tastes.
right. Like maybe once, like early June and maybe twice a year. Maybe.
Yeah.
Or more likely.
Beginning and end, see what it's like,
Yeah.
see how it changes.
Yep. Twice a year, I think it's plenty. For most people, it'd probably only be once a year, I think, so. Right before we hit the second river bridge this morning, I was like, please don't get stuck again.
Yeah.
No.
That must have started to feel, oh no,
Like,
not again.
Here we, deja vu all over
What
again.
is it, me?
Right? And I heard they were waiting on a train. I was like, yes, thank you.
Okay. Why are we turning around? Are we turning around?
No, we're just going in from a different direction.
He's heading towards that.
This is kind of,
Because when we came here this morning, we were on that side of that.
yeah, yep. I think that's what he's doing. Yeah. It's never a straight line. It's always kind of jog, you know.
Yeah. I think that's one of those water testing systems or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Wonder.
It's not a buoy or anything, but
No.
it might test the water.
Yeah. It's like a flag on it. Oh, maybe that's what that is. Huh. Kind of looks like it.
Because there's two of them. There's this and there's that one.
Yeah. Where do you see the other one?
It's like a net or something.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah. No, I just checked the weather for tomorrow. Nothing but sunshine all morning, day, and night. Yeah,
great.
like really?
Great.
Of course. But hey, it was nice today. You know, the sun came out a little, peaks of filtered sunshine here and there. It was nice.
Okay, now what's going on here? Oh, is that what that is?
That red flag south that I was all looking across it. I had the north flag. I put it on the south.
Oh.
And then all of a sudden the south is right there.
Oh.
Yeah, we got one more
fishing net, and he had to dodge the north one always has the flag on it, and then you gotta.
Oh, is that what that was? Huh.
And
The
then,
south one has one flag.
and then you gotta look for it. So he said we had to go around the fishing.
Ah, okay.
I never knew that.
Interesting, yeah. That's kind of interesting, yeah.
Yeah, that was interesting. Yeah, I was like, I thought, are we going in circles?
Yeah, right.
Oh, I saw just something light up. Well, it sounds like they had a great day today. I was thinking about running down and seeing them tomorrow, but you and I would just have to run down for today and take early. I'll text them when I get home. Ugh.
I was going to bring my bike over, and I realized it's going to be too much of a hassle to try to ride it there, and then it runs on a battery. It only lasts so long, and if it dies, I got to walk it everywhere.
Ooh,
What's wrong?
spider.
Oh, you afraid of that? Well, come on now. I'll sit there and play with it.
Spider.
You are you
Oh, yeah.
you got a spider phobia or something?
Yeah.
Do you? I think it's gone now. Maybe not. Oh, maybe not. Come here. I'll bring it over to you. Come on. Come on. I'll sit there. I'll play with the bee. I know you ain't gonna see me. Right here.
It's on the hook now.
Here. Just hanging there, chilling. Right? There's spider web there somewhere. You were like, get that thing away from
It
me.
doesn't want you, it wants bugs.
I'm good. You can have this seat. No, I'm sitting here now for a while. I'm good for that.
Oh, yeah.
Hello there.
Hello.
Yeah, you can have that one.
Hope you're not afraid of spiders.
No,
I'll sit there and I'll play with it.
I don't think it wants me.
Yeah.
No?
This is the place where you want to be, right under the canopy, that way it's out of the wind. Yeah.
I had enough wind this morning.
Yeah, no, it's a little chilly.
Oh, nap time.
Wake me up when we get there.
One more hour.
Yeah.
Go by fast.
About an hour and a half or so.
Oh.
Yeah. I get home, I'm going to bed. Crash.
I gotta let the dogs out for a little bit.
Yeah.
Then it's bedtime.
Yeah. Also whine and start complaining they don't let them outside. They'll scratching at the door. Yeah.
Well, you can't trust them to be outside of their kennel. It's a double kennel.
Yeah.
It's like a piece of furniture, but it's got side-by-side kennels.
Yeah.
So they go in there at night. It's their little cave, you know.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Their little home.
Yeah.
I don't want to be disturbed when I sleep.
Me either.
You know.
Yeah.
And
We officially have
they would rather have their own little space as well. But
Yeah, for sure. We officially have no cell phone coverage.
oh no.
Oh no. We're in SOS mode. Yep, have to wait. There we go.
Here's your Woodstock days.
What's that?
And this is your Woodstock days. Janis Joplin.
Way before my time. Well, that's good music though. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm gonna head up for a minute. Hello, Beth. Hello, Beth. Hello, Beth.
Yeah.
Can you see me? There. Hello. Now, I want to flip you around. On the boat.
You made it through the damn bridge this time.
What'd you say? Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, just, now you get to see it live for a minute. Uh-oh. God damn it. Can I call you back in your landline?
Yes.
All right. Hey Beth, just want to let you see. I want you to see that we're heading back to Toledo. Like 7:15. We're about 12 miles out right now. Yeah, but it's 38 miles from downtown Toledo to docks to Put-in Bay, where we docked at. Yep. Oh, that would just suck if we couldn't get past that one bridge. You say what? Are you shitting me? Or are you pulling? Are you shitting me? Or are you serious? Quit pulling my leg, Beth. Beth, stop it. Beth, cut it out. You're right on my chain, aren't you? I figured Nah, no. We don't need that tonight. I don't want to be sitting around and spinning around in a circle for 4 hours. Oh. Yeah, you kind of got me there. I was like, no, don't do that to me now. Now, what would they do if a train got stuck in the bridge? They wouldn't try to dock us somewhere else? Yeah. You know, we waited almost a half hour for that bridge to cross, this train to cross this morning. So, yeah, we had to wait for a train. Is it 20-25 minutes? Yeah. It took about 10 minutes for it to show up, and then 15 minutes for it to go by. Yeah, pretty much. It's spinning around. Yeah, now we're pointing in the right. You're right. Now we're pointing in the right direction. Yes. I can put some of this on YouTube, but not all of it. Not with the music. I mean, too much music. No, really, too much music. They will block it. You won't be able to watch it. So, walked 7 miles around that island today. I walked all the way down to the campgrounds and stayed there for a minute, and I headed back and got dinner, and then just waited for the boat. Yep. You realize I've walked almost 25 miles this week? Oh, you walk 10 miles a day, so I'm sure that's nothing to you. You walk 50 miles a week. Sometimes more on the weekends too. Yeah. So, yeah. Well, just want to let you know where we're at. I sent you some pictures too. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll put some on YouTube for sure, but I don't know how much I can put on. I'll try to put on as much as I can. Yeah, I can do that because there's no music playing there. And I got that part where the bridge is opening up so you can pass through it. I got that too. And I brought my iPad so you got some good video of that too. I'm not gonna bring it next time. I mean, you're right, it doesn't really shoot all that great video, so. No, you can only zoom like 4 or 5 times, and that's it. So. Actually, it's sitting on the bench right now. On the bench. Well, there's no vibration on the seat itself, so although I did have it on the deck. Ooh, that might have ruined it. That might have ruined it. Yeah, I had sitting on the deck, upper deck, on the deck. Were you? Yeah. It might have ruined it. Well, I guess we'll find out when I post the video later. You'll let me know if it's in focus. Huh? Nope, it's not that great of a camera anyway. But hey, at least I still have, it's still usable for YouTube and stuff, you know. Yeah, and I very rarely do I use a iPad's camera anyway. So, I just wanted to see how I just wanted to see how the video came out. That's all. I'm gonna let you go so you can finish up this boat ride. What? Beth, let's not talk like that, alright? Hey, I thought the fucking bridge was stuck shut, and then they mentioned something about a train on the way, and I was like, oh, thank God. I really thought for a second the bridge was stuck again. Like, no, there's no way. Not again. Yes, yes.
So the same 5-year-old that was under the four-wheeler.
Unless you want to see it in several clips, how they edited it.
On her tomboy side.
I'll just why not just put it all on YouTube, that way you can watch it there. I can't send you a messenger because its clips are too long. You know how messenger is, you only let you send 2.5 minute clips. Oh yeah, I'll put that on YouTube.
I'm a princess, Daddy, but I can still
Yep, I'll put that on too. What's that now?